Hello everyone. I welcome to all to course on computer network. Myself Rakesh Shevle, working as a lecturer in Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Outcomes: at the end of this video, learner will be able to understand what is a computer network, to identify end devices and intermediary devices. Start with a definition of a computer network. A computer network is defined as interconnection of two or more computers, or a computer network is a set of nodes connected by communication link. In this definition, nodes and communication links, these are the two keywords we need to understand. What is a node? A node can be computer, printer, or any other computing device that able to send or receive data generated by other nodes in a computer network. Remember that the devices which are capacity of send or receive the information, that can be only considered as a node in a computer network. The examples of nodes are computer, printer, server, security camera, or many other networking devices like switch, bridge, router, etc. What is a communication link? Communication link is used to carry information. A communication link can be wired or wireless. Example: cables are used in wired links. Air is considered as transmission medium in wireless link. Consider this diagram. In this diagram, laptop and PC are connected to each other with the help of cable. With this cable, laptop is able to send data to the PC or vice versa. This cable is used to carry information between nodes. This cable is considered as wired links, or it can be also considered as physical medium. Consider this diagram. In this diagram, two smartphones are interconnected to each other with the help of radio waves. These radio waves are considered as wireless link. With these radio signals, devices are able to send or receive data. Consider example of a computer network. This diagram shows a perfect example of computer network. In this example, various devices like desktop, laptop, mobile phone, Wi-Fi router, switch, modem are interconnected to each other. In this example, there are two types of devices: end user devices and intermediary devices. The end user devices are the devices on which user works, and intermediary devices are used to connect to end devices. The example of end user devices are desktop system, server, smartphone, laptop, etc. The example of intermediary devices are switch, Wi-Fi router, modem, etc. Let us see the example of end devices and intermediary devices. End devices are the devices on which user works. The example of end devices are computer, printer, smartphone, tablet, and server. Intermediary devices are the devices which are used to connect to end devices. The example of intermediary devices are switch, wireless router, cell tower, modem, internet, cloud.